Get the stick. Hand the stick to Mommy. The stick over there. Yeah, it doesn't belong on the trampoline. Hand it here. Good job. Thank you, sir. I don't think I've ever seen anybody jumping on a trampoline in the snow before. How high can you jump? Can you make the snow bounce? Let's see. Oh, good job. That's pretty cool. Don't throw it at me. Don't throw it at me, man. Throw it somewhere else. That is too cool, buddy. Careful, you're gonna fall. Hey. Oh, sorry. Forgot I was videotaping too. Or not taping, but whatever. Yeah. What's it? Oh, you about fell. Dude.
I got you. Oh.
You did fall.
I don't fall.
No, don't throw it. You're going to hit the camera. I mean, you could throw it, just not at Mommy. Throw it somewhere else. No, throw it somewhere else. You're going to fall out of the thing. Nice. Look at that snow jumping. Did you get some in your eyes? Okay, let me get some more still shots. Cutie.